What's going on, guys? Mix it back again for another cocktail video and continuing on with the Halloween themed cocktails. I will be doing number 3 in my Halloween cocktail recipes series, and today's Halloween cocktail, guys, is the Risen from the Grave cocktail, and I will show you guys how to make this cocktail. Alright, now get your shaker and put some ice cubes. Right, the first ingredient to go into the shaker, guys, is a 90ml or 3 ounce of Citron Vodka. Right, get your jigger. Time to put into the cocktail. That's it. Next ingredient to go to the shaker, guys, is 60ml or 2 ounce of St Germain. I think I'm saying that right, St Germain? Because if I'm not saying that right, just let me know in the comments below. I say with St Germain, it's an elderflower liqueur from France. Right, on a side note, do not add the Grenadine. Do not add the Grenadine. Time to shake for 8 to 10 seconds, get it nice and chilled. Right, now we're shaking it for 8 to 10 seconds. Get your Martini glass and just straight into it. The last ingredient to add into this is 7.5ml or 1/4 ounce of Grenadine. As you can see, guys, the Grenadine sits at the bottom absolutely perfectly. That's because it's so thick. Right, and now garnish with a strawberry and 2 mint leaves. Beautiful, and that, guys, is how you make a Risen from the Grave cocktail. How does this Halloween cocktail taste? The most powerful taste I'm getting is Citron Vodka, as expected. It's got the most in it, but some of the compliments with the elderflower is certainly a lovely taste. But as you get to the bottom, you will taste the sweetness of the Grenadine as it gets to the bottom, but that's absolutely beautiful and certainly different from the other Halloween cocktail recipes that I've used so far. What do you think of the Risen from the Grave cocktail? Just let me know in the comments below what you think of this. That's all for now, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Mix It if you like the video, and also I'd also appreciate if you'd share the video, as it just helps me grow, and you've been great. We're now on 191 subs, only 9 away from my target of 200 for the year, so it's been absolutely fantastic. You can also check out my social media in the description below, which is my Twitter, Facebook and Instagram, and also my email. But as it is half term, I will be doing a lot more cocktails throughout the week, and I will see you for the next Halloween cocktail video. Cheers.